recording time cards from the Raken mobile app with our updated custom pay types feature. We'll click into our project at the top here from the projects list. And then we'll go into our time cards in the top right there. We can easily add a new time card by clicking the plus button on the bottom. We'll pick the two journeymen that were on our crew today, Gary and Luis. This was our low voltage crew for the day. And they were pulling wire on the third floor. Now again, I can add photos from my camera library or live with my camera, or I can select from file share storage provider. But both of these workers are working same hours and on the same cost code. So we're going to go down to the edit all button to be able to add in the details there. So starting with the time that they arrived, we'll say 6 a.m. And the time they finished, we'll say 2 p.m. And before we hit save, we're going to click out of this wheel and go down to the add hours button at the bottom. And this is going to allow us to track their time specifically. Now, we can split this up by adding the add hours button again, or we can leave it as is. But in this example, let's say, they actually only worked 4 hours on one cost code, which was regular time. But I have the ability to select between the different pay types here that were uploaded from the website before getting started here. So I can add the cost code that they worked on that day, their classification, they were both journeymen, and the shift they were on, which was day shift. Now, in order to add the other 4 hours they worked, I can hit add hours down at the bottom right, click in 4. And this was also on regular time, but we can add in a separate cost code, and their classification was the same, and they were also just on day shift. Now, also down at the bottom here, we'll see the option to manage breaks. See if they took any breaks that day. We can say they took lunch, started at 12 o'clock, and they took a 30-minute lunch. They hit save, and now that's automatically linked to this time card as well. If I go up here in the top right, everything looks good. I can hit save. And here's my overall summary again, pulling through all the different things they worked on that day. I hit save one more time, and we're done. And that is capturing time card with our new custom pay types feature.